Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter 11 HTML using list and table. In the previous class you were introduced to the basic formatting tags used for designing web pages in HTML. You have also learned about the usage of CSS to spruce up the appearance of these elements. In this class, we will discuss some more tags to embedded object like list, link and table in our web pages to make it look more appealing and professional. So now list. Whether it is the minutes of a meeting, a list of items or the table of content of a document, you will find the use of a list in all. A list is the most efficient way of presenting information in a precise manner. It helps in making important points stand out more clearly, thereby grabbing a visitor's attention. HTML supports different elements to create a list for displaying items in a specific order. A list can be defined in different styles. The type of a list that HTML provides are an order list, description list. First one, an order list. An unordered list is used when the item are not to be displayed in any particular sequence. The list begins and ends with UL and /UL tags, that is starting and ending. It indents each item and the list and add a bullet against each of them. It is also known as the bulleted list. For example, a list of stationery items: pen, eraser, pencil, stencil, clipboard. Then L tag, LI tag, to display the list of item contained in any of the two list type, that is unordered or order list. LI tag is used. Let us have a look at the following example. HTML head title using list title, style type equal to text /CSS, body background color RGB of 255, 251, 214. H1 color red, LI color green, style head body. H1 benefits of positive attitude, H1 closing, UL LI increase productivity, LI improves quality, LI efficient teamwork, LI breeds loyalty, and then close UL, close body and close HTML. Save this file in your desktop or anywhere and run the file. It will be look like that. Let's know more. We can also style list with color to make them more noticeable. For example, style OL, background peach puff, padding 20px, LI background silver, padding 5 pixel. Close style. Order list. The order list is used to display a list of items in a specific order. An order list indents and give a number to each item in the list. That is why it is also known as number list. The list begins and ends with OL and close OL tags respectively. Order lists are mostly used in situations where order of the items is significant or where it is required to keep a count of the number of items. For example, in a recipe, If the steps are not demonstrated orderly, the end result would be not as desired. HTML head, title, order list, title, close the title, style, type equal to text, CSS, body, background, repeat, no repeat, background, image, your URL, pancake.jpg, color, blue, font size 20px, h1, color, red, style, close the head, body, h1, recipe for pancake, h1 close, ol, li. In a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. Li, make a well in the center and pour in milk, egg and oil. Mix until smooth. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium high heat. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle, approximately 1% for each pancake. Brown on both sides and serve hot. Oil body, close the oil, close the body and close HTML and save the file in your folder and then run the file. Will get like that. So next one, note, when an ordered list is used, the li element will be rendered with a number. One can control the number's appearance with the type attribute or applying CSS property list, style, type. Let's know more. The menu tag is used to create menu list. Menu denotes the start of the menu and close the menu denotes the end of the menu. Attributes of OL tag, start attribute. An ordered list automatically start with number 1, but you can also start the list with a different number with help of the start attribute. For example, if we write start equal to 101, the ordered list number will start from 101. Reserve attribute. This attribute specifies that the list order should be descending. For example, HTML head, title, character, title close, style, type equal to text, CSS, body, background, color, RGB of 255, 251, 214. H1, color, red, Li, color, green. Close style and close head, body, open body. H1, character is a combination of close H1, OL, start equal to 3, reserve, Li, integrity, Li, unselfishness, Li, understanding, close OL, close body, close HTML and store the file in your folder and run this file. Will get result like that. So type attribute, this attribute specify the type of number or bulleted used of mark items. By default its value is 1 for ordered list and disk for an unordered list. Syntax for unordered list, UL type equal to value, where value equal to disk or square or circle. Unordered list, bulleted style, result description. Disk, a filled circle, default. Circle, a non-filled circle. Square, a filled square. Syntax for order list: OL type equal to value, here where value equal to a or small a, or I, capital I or small I, that is Roman letter 1. Number style, result description. OL type equal to capital A, B, C, uppercase letters. OL type equal to small a, B, C, lower case letters. OL type equal to Roman letter I 1 2 3, that is Roman letter 1 2 3, uppercase Roman numbers. OL type small I 1, that is 1 2 3, lowercase Roman numbers. OL type 1 2 3, sequence of numbers default. List properties, next one. List style type, like type attribute. This property specifies the bullet style that will be used as the type of a list item marker. Syntax: list style type value, where values for another list equal to none, disk, circle, square. Disk is the default value, and values for order list equal to decimal, leading 0, lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha, upper alpha, decimal is the default value. List style image. With this property, you can specify an image as the list item marker. Syntax: list style image value, where value equal to URL, path of the image. None, list style position. You can specify this position of the list item marker with the help of this property, that is to make them appear inside or outside of the content flow. Syntax: list style position value, where value equal to inside or outside. List style, this is the shortened property wherein all the list properties can be specified in one declaration. Syntax: list style value, where value equal to value for list style type, value for list style position, value for list style image. If one of the value is missing in the above shortened property, the default value for the missing property will be inserted if any. So now list style program. HTML head, type, title, another list properties, title close, style type equal to text, CSS, body, background color red or RGB, 255, 251, 214. UL list style image, URL check dot jpeg, li font size equal to 30 px, color purple, text align top, h1 color red, style head close, body h1, part of speech h1 close, ul style equal to list style position out, outside, li noun, li pronoun, li adjective, close ul, h1 parts of noun, close h1, ul style list style position inside, li common nouns, li proper noun, li abstract noun, close ul, close body, close html, and then save the file in your folder and run the program. It will be run like that.